And for those that are the first one, enjoy. Just a quick race briefing. It's easy CSA sanctioned event. We are there, CSA can see from the road. Yeah, so please understand that we are obeying CSA rules. You guys are on the same route as last year. Water point 1, please go straight. Do not turn right. And we'll do the 100 mile in that case. Enjoy it, but you are behind the sweep in that case. The route is clearly marked with yellow boards, red arrows. That is what we follow, and if there's some marshals on certain turns and certain points, please obey what they are saying. Water points is 3 for you guys. Water point 1, that's 31 kilometer. Then at Oakland, then back to Arcadia. The emergency number is obviously on your armrest, which you have to wear, and that is also your ticket to your school to the end. The first 6 kilometers is Newhill, and we are having a start when you turn off and to the left and the right. We will stop on the road and start according to the rules. So please, we are doing this year, trying to do it every year, not getting it right, but we are trying to do it as slow as possible up to there. Just please respect the program that Sean has already mentioned. We are building and maintaining a performance community out there. So we are not keen on litter. Please respect the program, otherwise I get complaints afterwards. All I said all that, so if you
Stop cheering as well.
Ja, ik heb gestaan.
All right. I think just a quick round of applause for everyone can actually see. Let's give them a big round of applause. Here we go. All right, I thought you had something to say. Just hold on a second.
Just a quick one. The O-Class, the feed zone from the park, has changed this year also because of the UCI rules. You have to go through the feed zone. It's a compulsory checkpoint, but it's not a neutral zone. So please go into O-Class. Your winning for your O-Class prizes, money, all of that you need to go through that finally. So you need to, even if you're not stopping all your route and bacon and eggs and all of that, if you go past there, you need to go into O-Class. So when you get to your feet out like O-Class, you need to go towards the school, the whole area there, and you go out and back and get to know right, good.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you guys a wonderful start song going. Remember, it's neutral start, so you don't have to go down blazing. Right, here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and off you go. Take it easy. Chosen winners, nice to see you right here. Enjoy your ride, gents and ladies. Guys from South Africa, we're nice to see you right here. Representing one of the best bike shops out of Somerset West. Williams Bike Shop, the Henry Cycles also here today. All the legends of our sport. And to all the newbies, you're not going to finish the stroke missing. Enjoy your ride all the way from Batesdorp, Rensdorp in the West Coast. There's the lady from CISA, Ursula. Well done to you, Linda. Good morning to you, Linda. Be well being represented. What a start shoot. The best start shoot I've had all year. And the most smiles I've had all year. Yo, you remember if you smile, it adds an extra 20 watts of power to the leg. So smile a while, it will make you famous. The orange one, be well. You're like, oh look. We're warning you. Enjoy your 6 Ks of neutral zone. Botte, goeiemorgen. Sion Sisa.
Buitenstop maat vir daai trek. Sê jy? Ek weet buitenstop maat vir daai trek. Ja. Hè? Moet betalen voor vraag je. jaag jy? Wat jaag jy? Uitdrag man. Ja, kry 'n bietjie koud. Blerrie koud. Kry maar hard dit gepak. Ja. Jy moet dit laas nog kyk vir die kou hierdie deel. Hierdie ek kan dink maar was bliksem goed geweest. Die deel wind hoor. Dit is ook baie koud. Ja, of het reën. Of het reën en water in je schoenen inloop. Hier zijn ongeskikt. Hier zijn ook koud. Ja. Oh. Goeie genigtig. Dat is wel niet. Je hebt niet dapper. Ja. Klompie wat ry as jy so kyk. Ja. Die vangerpunt is aan te dood. Een keer gaat het omgooien. Ja, nee, ek dink ek moet
Ek ben net my doel dat nou stuur net weer ry.
ja,
As jy daar.
ja, kom net op die fiets.
Maar ja, trek. Nee, nou dat is niet dat. Nou, dat kun je daar van doen.
Herstel.
Snel.
Ja. Ek dink ons wat kan doen, hulle net vooruit is van Tanya se battery van ons hier. Ek dink sy gaan hom ook ry.
Ja, dit kan niet allemaal uit. Hij is dus heel erg mooi. Als je zo ver moet rijden,
Ja.
dan is het niet moeilijk.
Ja. Altijd wat gezakt.
Ja, nee.
Nee, pas achter.
Huh?
Achter. Ja. Hoi.
Ja, van weg hoor.
Hè? Nee.
Van weg hoor.
Nee, ek het hulle so 3 kilometer teruggeloop. Genachtig hulle. Ja. Daar's meer vingers oor nie. Appelvries. Die vingers appelvries.
Alles is nou vir my nie.
Sê alleen nie, is nog nie op nie.
Kan my eerste en my laaste wees miskien.
Doon lang po kabigyan. Sok. Sajay. Okay, piti. Come in. Huh?